Most people get this wrong. They assume X, formerly Twitter, shows you exactly who viewed your profile, but the surprising truth is that X does not provide profile view tracking for regular users. Today, I'll explain what you can and can't see. On X, there is no feature to see who visits your profile. You won't believe what happens next. Even tools or apps claiming to reveal viewers are unreliable and often unsafe. X prioritizes user privacy, so the platform does not share individual profile visits. The only indirect ways to gauge engagement are through likes, retweets, replies, and follows. If someone interacts with your content, you can assume they visited your profile, but you cannot confirm it directly. X does provide analytics for professional or business accounts, showing metrics like profile visits and tweet impressions in aggregate, but these do not reveal individual user identities. The surprising truth is that any app claiming to show individual viewers is likely a scam, and using it could put your account at risk. The safest approach is to focus on content engagement rather than obsessing over who viewed your profile. In conclusion, you cannot see exactly who viewed your X profile. Focus on interactions and analytics to understand your audience and avoid third-party tools promising otherwise. Subscribe for more social media tips and insights to help you use platforms safely and effectively.